How to get modes in Minecraft Bedrock Switch, Nintendo. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this instructional video, we'll explore the feasibility of integrating modifications into the Minecraft Bedrock on the Nintendo Switch. We aim to determine whether this is a viable option or not. To embark on this endeavor with your Nintendo Switch, simply launch the Minecraft and navigate to the Marketplace section. While I'm currently recording this tutorial on my computer, the process remains identical when executed on the Nintendo Switch. So please listen carefully and follow along. Within the Marketplace, you'll have the opportunity to pursue skin packs, worlds, textures, and more. By accessing the World section, you can discover a multitude of add-ons that may enhance your gaming experience in various ways. It's important to note that these are add-ons, not modes, and their activation requires mine coins. You're supposed to go through the official Minecraft Marketplace due to its efficiency and ease to use. Additionally, this is a sole legitimate approach to incorporate modes into a Nintendo Switch as of the present time, and regrettably, Nintendo currently prohibits modding in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch, thus limiting users to the Marketplace. Beyond the Marketplace, manually adding modes to Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch is unfeasible. The purpose of this video is not to disseminate misinformation, but to inform individuals that the Marketplace stands as the exclusive avenue for acquiring modes and add-ons for the Nintendo Switch. If this video has addressed any queries you may have, kindly consider showing your support by leaving a like and subscribing for additional straightforward and practical tips. Thank you for watching.